Hi, I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling, and today's topic is being a model of excellence. What do I mean by that? Well, this could be you looking at this for yourself or for a member of your team. What is a model of excellence? It is a person that you can look at and think, you know, when I think of someone who's professional, trustworthy, reliable, they do what they say they're going to do, they always come in way, way, way above target. This is the person I hold in high regard. You need a model of excellence on your team. Every team needs to have one, because otherwise, whoever's the highest in that team sets the standard. And if the standard's low, then the standard with everybody else will be low. So make sure you have at least one person that's highly skilled, motivated, that's inspirational to the others, that can share their techniques, that is seen as a model of excellence within the organisation. And maybe that person's you. So how can you improve yourself? Ask yourself, what would it take to be a model of excellence? What is my attitude when I walk around the office? Do I self-motivate? Do I inspire and motivate others? Am I always open to learning? Am I sharing my skills with everybody else? Am I doing the sort of things that I say I'm going to do? Am I leading the team to do the things I need them to do? Are you making more meetings than expected? If you want your team to make 20 meetings a week, as a model of excellence, you need to be making 30 meetings a week. If you expect your team to make 80 grand a month, you should be making 180 grand a month. You need to be seen as the model of excellence. That's exactly what your focus needs to be to get there, and then of course share those skills with everybody else. If you want to learn more about being a model of excellence in your organisation, then come along to a course and understand how to grow your business fast. Work your way through the stages so that you get beyond sales mastery and leadership level. If you found this interesting, then do share. If you want to be a model of excellence, then subscribe below so you can get more tips from us. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.